Hello K-pop lovers! Today we're going to unbox 17 Face the Sun. So yes, I've been obsessed with 17 lately and I want to cherish everything that 17 has because I think we're all about to go on their, military service, so I don't know when I'm going to see them again, so I want to cherish everything. So this is Face the Sun, the shadow version. So here we go. I'm going to packaging it. Oh. My stuff always falls like that. Oh my god. Okay, so this is Face the Sun CD. I love this album because it has Darling You. I love Darling so much. You know without you I'm so lonely. All I hear now but one calling. Into the let's see, dual set. I pulled Joshua! Yay! Now I have a really nice collection of Joshua. I'll show you guys my collection. And I've got someone postcard. I love her so much. Oh my god! I pulled Honey as well! Oh, this is my happy day. Oh my god, I can't believe I pulled Honey. Oh, Honey hey, Honey hey. Oh my god. Oh, what is that? Hoshi Jun. Face the Sun. And I pulled a Joshua postcard as well. Oh, that's so sweet. Face the Sun. Yay, I'm so glad I decided to get it. Oh, there's more! Hoshi Horange! Oh my god. Oh my god, that's amazing. Hoshi Horange. Yay, I love Hoshi. And Dino! Okay guys, I have a confession. I have a soft spot for Dino. I really like Dino. Like when I was talking to the shop owner yesterday and he was like, he wanted to give me a free postcard and he actually gave me. So he gave me this free postcard. He told me, who are your biases? And then I told him, well, I like jeonghan, Joshua, Mingyu, and Dino. And he was like, Dino? Okay, here you go. And then he gave me that photo card. So yay, I'm so happy that I got Dino. Oh my god, I love Dino. And I love Hoshi with the Horange. Oh, these are so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so glad I decided to get that album. I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? Yay! So now I have Dino, Hoshi, Honey, my angel baby, and my gentleman, Joshi. Oh, that's so cute. Yay! Oh my god, the postcards are amazing. And I've got stickers of the logo as well. Why does this look like a Mitsubishi logo? Mitsubishi? Yeah, if this is how it's pronounced. But it kind of looks like it. Booklet. So here we have the track list. So we have Darling, Hot, Don Quixote. We have March, Domino, Shadow. I love Shadow. I'm not sure what that is. One, and then When You Leave Me, and then Ash. So much. Oh no. Okay. This is the lyric booklet. Okay. Okay, these are the credits. As usual, it's the Genius Wuji and Repeat. Oh man, it also have like notes, like production notes as well. See, with all the red. That's so nice. Repeat, Don Quixote. I love Don Quixote. So call me Don Quixote. Okay, this is all the lyrics. Okay. Oh my god, I love this so much. Oh, wonwoo. I'm sad that I didn't pull wonwoo. Oh my god, I didn't pull wonwoo in anything. Oh no. Well, I have the This Man album still. I have my wonwoo fixed. I have a soft spot for him as well. Oh no, this is Blonde wonwoo. Oh wow. Oh, okay. I never saw Blonde wonwoo before. Oh no, look at that face card. Look at that face card. He looks so handsome. That's Vernon. That's more Vernon. It's Vernon. Oh, he has a nice side profile. Vernon. Oh, what is he searching for? Sherlock. Oh no. Oh, so pretty. That's Scoops. Oh, Scoops. He's so pretty. I love how chill he is. Like everyone keeps saying, oh, he has like Magne energy. He does have that. It's hard to think that he's the eldest and he's the leader. No, he's not the eldest, sorry. That's Jeonghan. But yeah, that's the 8. Oh my god, I love watching his TikToks edits. He's hilarious. His side eye. His bickering. Oh my god, with the other members. It's so funny. Oh, Tino. Why do I like Dino? I don't know. But there's just something about him. He's very talented. The way he dances, his voice is beautiful. He's so funny. He makes me laugh. Hush. Yeah. He has a lot of nice features. Hush is so funny. He's so talented. I love his voice. As well. Uji, the musical genius. Ah, someone. Oh, he looks so cute here. I like that. He's so cute. Oh, June looks different here. I think it's the haircut. Oh, honey hey, with the short hair. Honey hey. Oh, he was at last night's concert, the Goyang one. I was so happy to see him, and that he didn't shave his luscious hair, so that's good. I hope he's going to be okay. Mingyu. Oh, Mingyu looks sensational here. He's so sexy. DK, pizza boy, energy boy, you can call him anything. He's just awesome all around. He's hilarious, he's talented. Yeah, he's just DK. Thanks to, oh, everyone has a thanks note here. Oh, I need to translate that. So nice. Face the sun. Okay, that was it, you guys. Short and quick. Face the Sun by 17. Or my biases. I actually like them all. Like, yes, I have like slight biases when it comes to them. Some of them, but I love them all. Like, I highly love them and respect them. So there you have it, guys. This was Face the Sun unboxing. Thank you for watching. Annyeong.